Restaurant resale trends, September 2025. Charlotte, Florida, and Texas led buyer activity. We sell restaurants. The restaurant resale market showed sustained strength in August 2025, with Charlotte, Florida, and Texas leading buyer engagement. This continues strong second quarter trends reported by BizBuySell across the South. We Sell Restaurants, the nation's largest restaurant brokerage firm, analyzed over 1,250 active listings, $515+ million in inventory, and 1 month of buyer activity to highlight where demand is heating up and which restaurants are converting from search to sale. Hitting all the marks. More than a dozen restaurants appeared across all 3 activity categories: Google searches, signed confidentiality agreements, and buyer inquiries. These triple hit listings indicate strong visibility, buyer intent, and competitive positioning. Charlotte leads. Charlotte dominated with more than half of the top performers, followed by Texas, Orlando, Raleigh, and Georgia. The listings spanned a range of price points: under $150,000 to $81522, Spring TX franchise sandwich shop, $150,000 to $8,143, Plaza Midwood, Charlotte, NC, $129,000, SAR 27075, Charlotte, NC, $149,000, 25245, Charlotte, NC, $190,000, 28204, Uptown Charlotte Restaurant, $45,000. Affordable listings drew first-time buyers and E2 visa candidates, thanks to manageable operations and lower investment levels. Mid-range, $200K, $400K. Carry, NC Sports Bar, $319,999. Winder, GA Multi-Unit Moe's, $500,000. Cypress, TX Sports Bar, $349,000. Raleigh, NC Cafe, $135,000. These listings balanced reasonable investment with stronger revenue, often appealing to more experienced operators. High-dollar outliers. Only one listing exceeded $500,000, a multi-unit Moe's in Winder, GA. The absence of one NM Plus deals in the triple hit group suggests that large portfolios attract strong search activity but convert less frequently across all buyer channels. Franchise strength. Franchise resales led overall in August. A multi-pack Moe's, a franchise sandwich shop in Texas, and Charlotte Quick Service Concepts all confirmed buyer preference for brand recognition and support systems. Quick casual and fast food models, pizza, sandwich, and cafe concepts dominated, while full-service, labor-heavy restaurants were largely absent. Turnkey spaces under $100,000 also stood out, attractive to buyers looking to rebrand without taking on debt or complex operations. Sweet spot price point, $100K, $400K, emerged as the most active band. Below $100K drew high volume, but typically for asset-only deals. Above $500K, activity thinned out, with fewer listings showing broad appeal. Key market highlights. August data confirmed broad buyer confidence, with strong activity across the Sun Belt and emerging markets in Tennessee and Georgia. Signed confidentiality agreements, thousands nationwide, with North Carolina, Florida, and Texas accounting for over 50%. Median sold price, $187,500, consistent with August and signaling stability despite capital costs. Fastest sale, a Miami tea shop sold in 6 days, underscoring demand for well-priced, visible listings. Buyer demand concentration. Half of the top 25 listings appeared across all 3 activity measures, a clear sign of competitive conditions. Spring TX franchise. Sandwich shop led nationally with 71 signed confidentiality agreements, validating strong interest in mid-range franchise resales. Charlotte, NC listings dominated, with 4 separate properties in Midtown and Plaza Midwood ranking among the top 5 CA counts. Prices ranged from $20,000 asset sales to $190,000 turnkey restaurants. Most searched listing, a 6.4 in a multi-unit portfolio in OKTX topped search traffic, showing continued interest in larger packages. With $7.4 trillion in U.S. money market funds waiting for deployment, some investors may be holding capital for larger deals. Signed confidentiality agreements by state North Carolina. Highest activity driven by Charlotte Metro. Florida. Heavy engagement in Port Charlotte, Miami, and Winter Park. Texas. Strong results from spring in Austin, with multiple offers logged. Google search trends. Visibility wins. Google search remains a leading indicator of demand. Optimized listings consistently generate thousands of impressions, with September data highlighting luxury listings, multi-million-dollar assets in Port Charlotte, 2.3 Mom Sports Bar, and OKTX portfolios captured top search rankings. Affordable concepts. Winter Park's 50K cafe and Charlotte's 20K asset sale showed entry-level concepts drive heavy visibility. Emerging markets, Smyrna, TN drew attention with a $1,99 restaurant with real estate deal, signaling growing Middle Tennessee interest. Sold listings. September momentum. Closings confirmed that well-priced, visible listings are converting quickly. We Sell Restaurants reported transactions up 15% in Q2 2025, outpacing BizBuySell's national business brokerage decline of 16%. Top 5 sold by Price Mobile AL 1,000 near 25M listing with real estate sold in 155 days, producing $1.56 in sales. Charleston. SC. High-value deal supported by operator earnings over $318,000. Michigan. Franchise resale exceeded $550,000, reflecting steady demand. Fastest 5 closings. Miami. FL. T-Sage Bookstore Cafe sold in 6 days. Cary. NC. Ghost Kitchen closed in 52 days, with buyer ready to launch. Charleston. SC. Bar sale closed in 59 days, proving strong cash flow plus location drive speed. Insights for buyers and sellers. For buyers, listings with 50-plus KAs often go under contract in less than 120 days. Financing should be secured before signing a CA to compete effectively. Expanding searches to Charlotte, Orlando, and Houston uncovers the most active inventory. For sellers, competitive pricing and clean financials drive engagement. Certified restaurant brokers ensure multi-channel marketing that accelerates closings. Q4 2025 presents an ideal listing window with demand holding steady. Outlook. As 2025 enters its final quarter, buyer motivation, available capital, and demand for affordable brand-backed concepts remain strong. Charlotte continues to dominate activity, while Florida and Texas sustain growth. For both buyers and sellers, these trends confirm that restaurants priced correctly and marketed effectively are moving quickly. At We Sell Restaurants, we remain committed to delivering visibility, expertise, and nationwide reach to support successful transactions in today's competitive market.